After Governor Greg Abbott signed the property tax cut agreement into law on Monday, now the package only needs voter approval to take effect. But notably, the governor signed the plan behind closed doors, a somewhat unusual move since this was one of his top priorities that passed with sweeping support.
This is more sense of relief than celebration. And lastly, for the governor, we're not done yet.
The next step is November's election, but another key part in the process closely tied to property taxes could come before that. A special session on education reform. A significant bulk of public education funding comes from property taxes, and several lawmakers wanted to include provisions in the plan to give teachers salary raises, increase the basic allotment, and more. But those provisions didn't make the final cut. On top of that, several officials have wanted to reform the process known as recapture or Robin Hood, through which areas with higher property values end up paying more taxes that is then allocated to areas with lower property values to ensure equal opportunities for all Texas students. But speaking at a Texas Tribune education panel on Tuesday, Dallas ISD superintendent notes that that's not always the case.
It was a good design. Sometimes things that we design don't always end up actually being executed in the way in which they were designed.
And Republican Senator Brandon Creighton noted lawmakers still have work to do to ensure a future property tax system wouldn't neglect education funding.
We have to make sure that if we make a significant sea change in exactly how we're funding schools and the effective recapture, that we like the model that we end up with going forward.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.